Hey everyone, when you order the Elementor integration, what we do is we take your HTML landing page and we integrate it onto Elementor. And what that allows you to do is edit your entire landing page without knowing a single line of code. It's very intuitive, and even our beginner clients are able to do it. So whatever you want to edit, you just click on, and on the left-hand side is a panel for you to edit. The good thing about this is you could add sections, you could delete sections, and it's totally customizable and unlimited. The other benefit is you could even duplicate the page if you want to test different products, test different copy, A/B test, multivariate. And the last thing that's great about this is you could also integrate with WordPress's app library, which is 10 times that of Shopify. So if you're looking for one-click upsells, if you're looking for image compression apps, if you're looking for apps like Hotjar, WordPress has it all. So if you have any more questions about this service, just shoot us over a message and we'd be more than happy to walk you through it. Thank you.